Hi class, let's take a look at problem 28. Now in this particular problem, they want the actual graphs on the same rectangular plane, but let me plot them first on separate planes and then I'll show you what the solution should look like. So let's actually graph on the side. The first equation, y is equal to negative 4x. And this one really is y is equal to negative 4x plus the values of 0. So our y-intercept, it's going to be the values of 0, comma 0, which is the origin. And then your slope is equal to negative 4 over 1. Let me fix that 4. So if we were plotting this one on its own, the problem's asking for technically both on the same plane. We would first identify the origin, which is here, and then follow the slope. The slope is negative, so we would go a total of 4 units down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then technically 1 value to the right. So from the y-intercept, which it's technically not stated, if it's not stated, it represents 0, or the origin, you're going to go 4 units down, and then 1 unit to the right. And then our first line, it's going to be pretty much this one. Our second graph, and this is kind of like side work. I'll show you what it looks like once we put them on the same coordinate point. So our second graph, we're looking at y is equal to negative 4. And in this case, y is equal to negative 4 represents a horizontal line. So the slope of the line is 0, and it's going to cross at negative 4, 1, oops. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to represent a horizontal line. Okay, so give me just a second. Let me fix that horizontal line. Okay, there we go. Now it goes through the line. Now, your actual problem, they're asking for the both of the lines on the same plane. What I did here was graph them on a separate one. And then for our final answer, well, here I have them displayed on the same plane. So this is our final answer. Let me just box it in. As in, this is our final answer. They're asking for both of the lines on the same plane. It would just be a little bit difficult for me to use this software and put them on the same plane. So here you have the second one, horizontal line at negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the first one passes through the origin 4 units down and 1 unit to the right. That's pretty much it for this one. The problem is asking for basic sketches, so I try to use software to graph these two. That's actually it.